Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sina. I'm a systems engineer based in Australia, and today we're going to go through 10 reasons why you should get AWS certified as soon as possible. Also, I'll be sharing some numbers in terms of how much AWS professionals get paid, so make sure you watch till the end to find out. AWS is the market leader by some margin. They own 1/3 of this huge $370 billion industry, and they have been dominating the cloud market for 10 consecutive years. We know how big of a trend the transition from on-premise infrastructure to the cloud is, so it is very clear that the majority of the companies that you know would need, or actually currently need, AWS professionals. And becoming AWS certified is the most straightforward way of showing your skills to potential employers and increasing your chance of securing your favorite positions. The demand for AWS professionals is high and will stay high for quite some time. This is what Cloud Academy have published in their blog. Indeed.com has over 16,000 positions that you would qualify for with an Azure certification. The number for AWS positions is much higher at 29,000 positions. My American friends watching this may find this face familiar. He was a well-known American college football coach. His name was Joe Paterno, and here is my favorite Joe Paterno quote: "If you're not getting better, you're getting worse." Whether we like it or not, our beloved on-prem racks filled with our servers, NASes, and SANs one by one are disappearing from data centers and showing up in our AWS management consoles. If we want to stay relevant and be able to compete in this job market, we need to know how to spin AWS instances in a matter of minutes, assign them the right resources, and make sure that we know how to run them securely and cost effectively. And we need to know how to use those amazing tools that are provided in that platform. To be able to play this cool game called technology, we just need to keep getting better. Otherwise, inevitably, we get worse. Alright, this one is pretty simple. At this point, we know that knowing the cloud is very important for our career. And we also know that AWS is leading this race, so we should learn it. So you might as well get recognition for your efforts to learn it. As an AWS certified professional, you would receive a digital badge for each certification exam you clear. You can use them on your LinkedIn profile and also in your email signature. Also, just a little tip here, putting these badges in your LinkedIn profile would attract recruiters faster than you might think. Being AWS certified, you would receive invites to regional appreciation receptions, and you can use your digital badges to get exclusive access to certification launches in AWS events, including AWS reInvent, which is the annual and the biggest AWS conference. This may actually not apply to everyone, but if you're like me and your employer actually pays attention to your efforts to helping the business beyond your day-to-day responsibilities, your AWS certification badge can also turn into a badge of commitment for providing them with more value than you already do without them even asking for it. We can also look at it this way, even though it's not pretty. The business that you're working for might be struggling to keep a full team on board because of the whole COVID situation. We are more likely to stay around if we are equipped with a certification that enables us to show our employers how they can save money during these financially tough times by moving parts of our infrastructure to AWS. Actually, that's pretty much what I did a couple of years ago and got the position that I'm in at the moment. So if you haven't heard the story, I'll link the video that I've created for that down in the description. You can watch it later. This one actually can interest both you and your organization. Companies with enough number of AWS certified professionals could participate in a program called APN, which is short for AWS Partner Network, which gives them access to different resources and training. The higher the number of the certified staff, the more benefits and business opportunities would be available. AWS is searching for qualified and certified professionals called subject matter experts to participate in AWS certification exam development events. If you become an SME, you would participate in events that focus on the creation and review of exam content. This program alone can provide you with lots of options, lots of opportunities to network, learn, and grow professionally. Speaking of networking opportunities, when you get AWS certified, you get more chances to hang out with lots of other AWS certified professionals. You can share insights, struggles, and experiences. There are over 400 AWS focused user groups across the world. For example, here in Australia, we currently have 18 different user groups covering different aspects of AWS. There are groups for Lambda, security, data engineering, serverless, and also dedicated groups for women interested and working on AWS technologies. You also gain access to the AWS certification community on LinkedIn, which offers exclusive content and connections for AWS certified experts. The bottom line is the support that you can get in AWS community is amazing. This one is also pretty simple and instantly encouraging. Once you get your first AWS certification, in order to help you prepare for the next one, AWS gives you a practice exam voucher for free. So enjoy it. Getting AWS certified also unlocks access to exclusive AWS merchandise. The more certification that you get, the more items get unlocked in the store for you. Earlier this year, I wrote about this in an article on Medium. Based on the results from the Global Knowledge Salary Survey, AWS certification can improve the salary of a certified professional by over 25%. The average salary estimate for an AWS certified professional is about $114,000, while the same number for the non-certified professional is $90,500. Now let's look into a specific example. Average annual AWS solutions architect salary across different countries. In the UK, the number is between £38,000 and £83,000, and the average salary is around £58,000. In Australia, the number is between $89,000 and $162,000 Australian dollars, and the average salary is around $126,000 Australian dollars. In India, the number is between 694,000 and 3 million rupees, and the average salary is around 2 million rupees. And for the United States, these are the numbers in more details. Obviously, not all the AWS certifications are created equal, and doesn't mean that we all gonna get paid $100K or more as soon as we get our first AWS certification. But by getting certified, we very much stack the deck in our favor. I have certainly benefited from getting AWS certified, and I'm currently working on getting my next certification as well. And to be honest, if you are into tech, and I'm pretty sure you are because you're watching this tech video, I don't think you're gonna regret getting into this path as well. I have more AWS and other IT content planned for you in 2021. Until then, you can watch either of the videos on your screen. If you like this one, please let YouTube know by hitting the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one.